Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video, we are going to solve one of the most important questions from the chapter of Binomial Theorem, which is frequently asked in the examination. Dear students, the question is, find the term independent of x in the expansion of 2x minus 1 by 2x whole power 12. So in this question, we have to find out the term independent of x in the expansion of 2x minus 1 by 2x whole power 12. So dear students, to solve this question, we'll use the formula of the general term of the binomial expansion of a plus x power n. So here we go. Dear students, the first step is we have to suppose the given binomial expression 2x minus 1 by 2x whole power. Let 2x minus 1 by 2x whole power 2x minus 1 by 2x whole power 12 equals to a plus x power n. So dear students, a means 2x, which later on we'll put in the formula, and x means 1 by 2x. So dear students, we know the formula of the general term of the binomial expansion a plus x power n, where n is any positive integer. Tr plus 1 is given by the formula cnr a power n minus r x power r. So dear students, let's put the value of n and r. So while finding the term independent of x, the value of r is unknown. So we have to find out the value of r by using the formula of tr plus 1, that means general term. So c, n means power, so n means 12, r is unknown. A means the value of a is 2x, so the value of a will put 2x, which is the first term of the given binomial expression. And n minus r, n means 12 minus r, and x means the second term, which is minus 1 by 2x power r. The value of r is unknown. Dear students, now we are going to solve this to find the value of r. So after knowing the value of r, we know the term independent of x. So dear students, c12 comma r will keep as it is, and this is 2x power 12 minus r, so this one also keeping as it is, and minus 1 to the power r. So let's separate minus 1 and 1 by 2x power r. So these two terms we can combine with each other. So dear students, c12 comma r we have to keep as it is because we don't know the value of r. Then 2x power 12 minus r, when 2x power 12 minus r, and minus 1 power r keeping as it is, and this is 1 by 2x, so 2x power, when we take the reciprocal, the power will be negative. So 1 by 2x we can write as 2x power minus r. So while taking reciprocal of any term, the sign of power will change, so r we can write minus r. So dear students, now let's find out the general term, that means tr plus 1 of the given binomial expansion. So this is as it is. Now 2x, both these terms have the base same, so we can write 2x, and now we can multiply each other. So 12 minus r minus r. So when the base are same, then according to the laws of indices, we can multiply the two terms. So base keeping as it is, and we have to add the power. So 12 minus r and minus r. After adding, we get C12 comma R 2x power 12 minus 2R, and this minus 1 R as it is. So dear students, now we are going to compare the variable term. So we can simplify it one more step. C12 comma R, and this we can write 2 power 12 minus 2R, and this is x power 12 minus 2R as it is, and minus 1 comma R. So dear students, we have to find out the term independent of x. So to find the term independent of x, the variable term, that means x to the power 12 minus 2R, we have to compare with x to the power 0, because the value of x to the power 0 is 1, which is known as the term independent of x. So dear students, let's go in the next page now. So we have tr plus 1. We have got tr plus 1. We have got tr plus 1 C12 comma R. So C12 comma R. Then we have got 2 power 12 minus 2R. 2 power 12 minus 2R. And we have got x power 12 minus 2R. And we have got minus 1 power R. So the general term of the given binomial expansion is tr plus 1 is equal to C12 comma R, 2 power 12 minus 2R, x power 12 minus 2R, and minus 1 comma R. So dear students, we are going to equate x power 12 minus 2R with x power 0 to get the term independent of x. So now equating the variable term, that means x power 12 minus 2R with x to the power 0. This is the condition to find the term independent of x. The variable term always we have to compare with x to the power 0. So dear students, by solving this, we get the value of r. So base are same. So according to the laws of indices, if base are same, then the power must be equal. So this is the exponential equation. So 12 minus 2r equals to 0. If the base are same, then the power must be equal in the exponential equation. So by solving this, we get 12 is equal to 2r. So r is equal to 12 by 2. So 2 6 by 12. So the value of r is 6. Dear students, the value of r is 6. So we have got the value of r equals to 6. So by putting the value of r equals to 6, that means 6 plus 1, 7, T7. T7 will be the term independent of x. So let's find out 7th term. So we have tr plus 1. Tr plus 1, we have got C12 comma r. And we have got 2 power 12 minus 2r. Then x power 12 minus 2r. And minus 1 power r. So dear students, after putting the value of r equals to 6 in the general term, we'll get the term independent of x. So if we put r value 6, 6 plus 1, 7, we get T7. That means 7th term is the term independent of x according to the given question. So 12, the value of r is 6, and this is 2 power 12 minus 2r into x. If we put the value of r 6, 6 to the 12, 12 minus 12, 0, that means x power 0, which will give us the term independent of x, and minus 1 power r. So dear students, now by solving this, we get the term independent of x. So C12 6. So C12 6 means 12 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 6 factorial. So by using the formula of combination C and R, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, we get the value of C12 6, or by using the calculator also we can get the value of C12 comma 6. and this is 2 power. Now by putting the value of r, 6 to the 12, 6 into 2, 12, 12 minus 12, we get 0, 2 power 0, x power 0 means 1, and minus 1 power r, the value of r is 6. So this means if the power of any negative integer is even number, then its value will be positive. So 12 factorial by 6 factorial into 6 factorial. 2 power 0 means 1, 1, and minus 1 power 6 means plus 1. We get the positive value. So dear students, the value of T7 is 12 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 6 factorial. So by using the calculator, we can get the exact value of T7, or simply we can leave this much. So this is the term independent of x. So dear students, I hope you have understood how to find the term independent of x of any binomial expansion by using the binomial theorem. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video we'll meet with new content. Till then, bye, have a nice day. Thank you.